Airbus Defence and Space has officially handed over in flyaway condition the first of 56 C-295 aircraft to the Indian Air Force to begin replacing its aging Avros 748 fleet. The C-295, in transport configuration and with an indigenous electronic warfare suite, will leave Airbus production site in Seville, Spain, for Delhi, India, in the next few days, piloted by a joint IAF Airbus crew. It was only 2 years ago that we signed this contract with India, the largest order in the history of the C-295, said Jean-Brice Dumont, Airbus head of military air systems, in a delivery ceremony held in Seville in the presence of Indian Air Chief Marshal Vivek Ram Chaudhary. Today, we are enhancing the capabilities of the Indian Air Force and modernizing its transport fleet by delivering the first aircraft on schedule. This is the beginning of an exciting and long-term journey with the Indian Air Force. The first 16 C-295s of the 56 aircraft on order will be assembled at the San Pablo Sur site in Seville, Spain, with the second aircraft due to be delivered in May 2024 and the next 14 rolled out at a rate of 1 per month until August 2025. To boost self-reliance in the defense manufacturing sector in India, the remaining 40 C-295s of the Indian Air Force order will be manufactured and assembled in partnership with Tata Advanced Systems Limited at a final assembly line in Vadodara in western India. The production of components of these aircraft has already started in the main constituent assembly facility in Hyderabad, southern India. These parts will be shipped to the Vadodara final assembly line, which is expected to be operational by November 2024. The first Make in India C-295 will roll out of the Vadodara final assembly line in September 2026 in what will be a milestone for the Indian aerospace industry, the final aircraft expected to be delivered to the Indian Air Force by August 2031. With 283 orders from 41 operators, the C-295 is the undisputed leader in its segment and stands out for its versatility. It can carry up to 71 troops or 50 paratroopers, airdrop cargo, be used for medical evacuation and takeoff and land in short and unpaved runways.